Good morning. This is the English video session for class 10. We are doing the classes, that is the error correction, and we have done quite a lot of practices. You must be in a position to do it now faster. It should not take more time now. Okay, so now let us see how you are going to do this. Tourism is one of in the biggest businesses in the world, generating at least 288 million jobs. It is vital for an economies of much countries, but it is the major contributor on climate change. Tell me, what are all the things that are correct here? In each sentence, this is, see, it has come in the board pattern 2015, set 2. You need to find out what is the mistake in the first sentence and do the correction accordingly. You have to find out what is the corrected thing. Okay, try the first sentence. Yes, shall we start? Yeah. Tourism is one of the. One in the, no. One of the. One of the biggest businesses in the world, generating at least generating at least, clear, at least 288 million jobs. Okay, it is vital for the economies. It is vital for the economies of much countries. How much money do you have? How much milk is left in the pot? How many countries have you visited? How many flowers do you have in your hand? Understand the difference between much and many. So what should be here? It is vital for the economies of many countries. Okay, but it is a major contributor on climate change. In climate change, major contributor in climate change. See, children, you will not think that the mistake is there. It is like hiding. It will be so silently hiding the mistakes. No, it will be so silently hiding that it is very difficult to find out where the mistake is. So it's very difficult to identify where the mistake is, and it requires time, it requires patience, coolness, appropriate thought processing. Okay, above all, practice. Let us go to the next. I will try whether you are able to do. Let's see. Now try this. Luxor Written Instrument Company had introduced Excel 100 permanent marker. Our product has many unique features like the dry safe ink, which may write smooth and without drying, even if a marker is left capped for 24 to 36 hours. This is the best pen available. Come on, find out. Each sentence, let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. All these things you have a mistake. Write the error, write the question. One you write wrong, the first, especially 1, 2, 3 you write wrong, take it for granted all the things are wrong. Think well. This is little higher level, you won't usually get like this, but there is nothing wrong in practicing a tougher one. This is tough. Try. Oh, so. Don't see the answers. Try sentence by sentence, find out what could be appropriate. Shall we go to the answers? Yes. Laksa Writing Instrument Company. Written instrument. Written is past. Writing instrument company has, you are talking about that company, has introduced Excel 100 permanent marker. A product or the product? The product has many unique features. Not unique features, special features. Unique is something different. All features are there, some added special features to it. This is a total replacement of the word. Okay, what is unique? When everything is there, this is totally different and something new. Special is along with the existing, and some more facilities are added to the existing is special. In this, the word to be added is special. Okay, unique features, special features like dry safe ink, which can write smooth and without, which can write smoothly. It cannot write smooth, it can write smoothly and without drying. Even when a marker is left capped. If you keep it capped, it will not become dry. Only if you keep it uncapped. Look at the term. Capped, already it will be clear, fine. By mistake, you keep it uncapped, chances of drying is possible. So, what is the right word that has to be done? Negative word, uncapped, for 24 to 36 hours. This is the best pen available. What? This is the best pen available. Clear? Are you able to understand? This is little difficult, but it is not very difficult. You can try it. Okay? Okay, when you are stuck again, you go back and do it. Try to do it again. Clear? Shall I go to the next passage? Yes. Yes, this is again a very big one. Mullah Nasruddin or two other travelers stopped to eat packed lunch. One of the travelers bragged. Please read that passage. Perfect answer. Correction. Why? Two minutes are given to you only. You have to try. This sort of things are difficult. Try to find the right answer. Don't make any errors in this.
वाइवा इधर ही कर रहे हैं
वाइवा अಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದು SSBJN वाइवा ಫೋನ್ try but difficult. That's why time very little difficult, not very easy.
लिख रहे हैं
हाँ, they have to do it.
इधर ही
They can pause it and do it.
नहीं आंसर आता है तुमको
Answer I will tell. Answer is there. I will give the answer also. Yes, finished. Shall we go to the answer? You talk first. Same. Then I did not listen to you. Why life? Yes. Did you find it? Mullah Nasruddin or two other travelers and two other travelers or two other travelers. And when you are using two people, it is and. How will or come? Coffee and tea, not coffee. If you have a choice, coffee or tea, but here connectors. So what is the word to be used? And. See children, in this we will be wondering why or is not correct. Okay, find the place. Where do you use or? When you have such, immediately go for a sentence, then come back. Okay, now, and two other travelers stopped to eat. THER is what is there? Black snake. THEIR, they opened their lunch box and ate food. THEIR, THERE. Difference you understood? See, what is the word that is mentioned? THERE. Is it correct there? No. It is THEIR. They opened their lunch bag. Okay. THEIR. Okay. One of the traveler bragged, I only eat salted pistachios, cashews and dates. What is I only eat? What is the mistake in C? Both. See here, one of the travelers bragged. What should you write there? And dates. What is the mistake there? I couldn't understand. You also see. I only eat roasted, salted pistachios, cashews and dates. The other said, well, see, well, I only eat dry salmon. Then all men looked at Nasruddin, waiting to hear what he will say. What he will say? He would say. How can you write will say? You would say. Clear? Would say. Okay. Seconds later. LATR. Children, LATE is late. I came late yesterday night from the party. Later, the car dropped near the house. Difference is there? LATER. Now see, what is the word, right? LATE is given. It's not LAT, it is LATER. Immediately find out, is this word correct there? No. Seconds later, Nasruddin held up a piece of bread and carefully mixed with water, yeast and salt, and then mixed. Mix is, you give instruction, mix water, hot water in the coffee powder. Okay, mixed means what? The mixture, the coffee powder, hot water and milk is mixed to have a wonderful coffee. Understood the difference? Mixed. So carefully mixed with water, yeast and salt. And see, THAN. Is it THAN? No, THEN. Than is comparative. She is beautiful than her sister. Comparative. THEN is after that. Then TH and then. First I ate a banana. Then I drank a cup of tea. Understood? Understood the difference between than is comparative. Then is after that what you are doing. See, so simple mistakes, but in your eyes, are you able to differentiate? You will be blinking at the proper temperature with the proper time name for a proper time. For the proper time. See, simple mistakes only. All, what are all the words? See, and what is it? Connector. THEIR, preposition. Both, single, both, all these things plurals. Will, would, models, other, mixed, past tense, present tense, then, time, future tense. Only the things which you know only is coming again and again. But what do you have? Confusion. Okay, think calmly. Such things come, most of my children are going to get 0. Because patience nahi hai. Think carefully, calmly, practice more, you will be able to do it. Is that clear? Shall I see you in the next class? Thank you, children. Work out all the things which I have told you. Okay. Thank you. Bye.